heals me. As you know, music has so much healing power. Yeah.
Right, right. Let's talk about your signature instrument, Basuri. So deceptively simple it is, right?
Yes.
Right. Just a bamboo and breath.
That's right.
At least for a layman like me, who is not like an expert in music. Why did something so minimal as Basuri, as we see it, felt so powerful enough for you to carry it as an instrument to express yourself?
That's a beautiful question. Bansuri is not just a Nepali thing. It goes everywhere in the world. Everywhere. If you really look in the history of the flute, the oldest instrument they have found so far in the world is a flute. It's made out of bone.
Really?
Isn't that amazing?
Mm-hmm.
So something with the wind, with the breath, and going through the cylinder, and even like Bhagwan Krishna. He's playing it.
What is this thing? I've heard and read so much about. The Krishna element of your musical journey somewhere. I don't exactly remember where. What is this element about your musical journey and the fascination with the
I'm
Basuri?
inspired by very much of Mahabharata, and what Krishna was guiding Arjuna. I get, it's life is a book. You have a choice to believe or not, whatever it is. But personally, it helps me to bring that Krishna element in my music, And when I close my eyes, when I play, brings me to a place of non-duality. Wherever I go, wherever I play in Japan or Chile or you name it, on 2 notes I play, energy shifts. I don't have to speak a language. I don't have to worry about how I look. I don't have to worry about my color of my skin. I would love to see the world that, they celebrate. Just each culture can celebrate their
right.
Yeah, and
the universality of it, the harmony it disseminates.
Exactly.
I can't really wait, Manose, for you to pick that flute out there and do that magic. I don't feel the need and the urge to, speak more and just let this flow, because this, I believe, is a music coming from a soul, meant to cater to the soul, right? In this age, Manose, where majority of the artists who are what you call chasing mastery in whatever they're undertaking,
That's
you
right.
seem to have chased meaning.
That's the thing. More you know, less you know. I learn every day. Again, I learn from everyone. there's a sound, let's say there's a 7 sound, Sat Sur we call, Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa. So within that, all the music, whatever here, it's inside that thing. But how mysterious it is for me is what is audible and what is not audible. It just because you cannot hear, it's not audible. It doesn't exist. You know what I mean? For example, what we see right now is a certain frequency. For example, if you put a grasshopper, it will see the